In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poster in WPS Office Docs Mobile. If you want to design a clean and eye-catching poster directly from your phone, WPS Office makes this possible using ready-made templates that you can easily customize. This method is ideal for announcements, school projects, events, or simple promotional materials, all created right inside the app. To begin, open the WPS Office app on your mobile device. Once you're on the main screen, look for the Create option and tap it. This will bring you to a selection of file types that you can start from. From here, tap Doc to continue. After selecting Doc, scroll down through the available options until you find the section labeled Poster. This area contains a variety of poster templates designed for different purposes and styles. To see more choices, tap More so you can browse the full template collection. As you explore the templates, pay close attention to the icons displayed on them. Make sure you do not select templates that have a blue icon at the top right corner, since those are only available through a paid subscription. Focus on templates without that icon so you can use them freely. Once you find a poster template that matches your needs, tap on it. After tapping, give the app a moment to load the preview. This may take a short while, so just wait until the next screen appears. When the template preview finishes loading, tap Use Now. The app will then begin opening the template for editing. This step may take a bit of time depending on your connection speed, so be patient and allow the process to complete. After the template fully loads, you can start editing it. You will be able to change the text, adjust colors, replace images, and modify the layout based on your preference. Take your time to customize the poster so it fits your message and style. Everything you see on the screen is editable, which gives you flexibility to make the poster look exactly the way you want. Whether you're keeping it simple or adding more details, the tools provided make editing straightforward and beginner-friendly. Once you are satisfied with your design, your poster is ready for use. You can continue making adjustments anytime if needed. That is how you create a poster in WPS Office Docs on mobile using built-in templates. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.